We note that the quotient of x square is 1. Otherwise, we would have to make it unity. Next, the quotient of x is minus 6. We take half of 6, which gives you 3. Now, we add and subtract 3 square. Group the first 3 terms, x square minus 6x plus 3 square. Thinking of 6 as 2 into 3, we note that this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, which when factored gives a minus b the whole square. Here a is x and b is 3. So the first 3 terms can be written as x minus 3 the whole square. The expression reduces to x minus 3 the whole square minus 24. This is of the required form with a equal to 3 and b equal to 24.